I am lonely. Most of the time, I feel so alone. Walang kaibigan, felt betrayed most of the time, feeling ko I'm on my own. One day pa uwi galing sa amin, nakita ko siya madumi, mabaho. Itinapon ng musmos, walang pamilya, walang tahanan. Mag-isa, parang ako. Since that day, nag-iba ko. Naging responsable sa iba maliban sa sarili ko. Started to go home happier kasi alam kong may nag-aabang sa akin at sasalubong sa pag-uwi ko. Simula ng araw na yon, naintindihan kong hindi ako ang naligtas sa kanya, kundi ako ang niligtas niya. Others will never understand the way my dog saved me sa araw ng birthday ko. Ako si Jennie at ito ang storya namin ng askal kong aso na si Zorro. My love, yung saving part of the mysteries in life is not exclusive to humans. Most of the time, we are being saved by the four-legged friends we have. Sa toughest times ng buhay natin, we do recognize kung sino yung wala sa tabi natin. We seldom recognize those people, those entities, those things, even those animals that are with us habang nasa down moments tayo. Sa totoo lang, my love, most of your silent struggles are witnessed by your four-legged friends at home. Hindi mo man siguro mararamdaman yung comfort na binibigay nila sa inyo dahil sa tingin nyo, hindi naman nila kayo naiintindihan. They couldn't even possibly understand what you are going through. They have no responsibilities like you do. Pero lagi ko nga sinasabi sa mga programa natin, my love, whenever we are parang nagtatouch tayo ng stories about our four-legged friends. For us rather, they might be a portion of our lives. Parang few years ng buhay natin, kasama natin sila. We don't mind having them there. We wouldn't cry as much if we won't have them anymore. But for them, tayo yung buong buhay nila. We are their entire life. To see us happy is something that we can never understand kung ano yung nararamdaman nila, but for some reason, their eyes are glowing. And whenever we feel sad, you can notice they are extra clingy. Some of us might be annoyed by it kasi feeling natin napakapapampam na naman nito. Sasabay pa, dami-dami ko na nga iniisip, dami-dami ko na nga inaatupag. Sumasabay pa siya. Pero maybe, just maybe, how would I know? I'm not a dog. Pero just maybe, yun yung way nila of telling you that, hey, hindi man kita matutulungan literally sa pinagdadaanan mo. I want you to know that I am here. Hindi man ganun kadami yung pwede kong magawa. Being here, making you feel unalone, unappreciated, making you feel that you are worthy and loved. Maybe that is something that I can do. Maybe that is something na I can make you realize with ways na I can muster dahil siya ay four-legged lang. Not being able to speak, but trying to express yung emotions niya towards you in ways na alam nilang gawin yon. I'd like to believe na yung mga four-legged friends natin are angels sa patch ng earth na to. Sa totoo lang. They can possibly do no harm, no bad thing, na pure goodness lang yung meron sila. And I felt that during the pandemic, when everything is chaotic around me, I decided to be a home to a dog I decided to be a home to a four-legged angel. And that dog made me feel na hindi ako mag-isa. May mga moments doon na nagbe-breakdown ako, umiiyak ako sa likod while walang nakakakita sa akin. Kumbaga, tinitake ko yung opportunity to lash it all out since wala namang nakakita sa akin. Ako lang nakakita at nakaka-notice na nagbe-breakdown ako. But that dog witnessed everything. Kasi syempre hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon well-composed ka eh. Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon kahit na nagpapakatatag ka, matatag ka. Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon na matapang ka talaga. You have to have a certain outlet sa lahat ng emotions that you don't want other people to see. So, in silence, you try to suffer on your own, but they become a constant reminder na you are not alone. As much as you perceived yourself to be alone, hindi ka naman talaga mag-isa. So my love, yung mga four-legged friends natin, kasama na din siguro ng mga kaibigan natin na hindi natin ang bibigyan ng much credit for everything that they are doing, everything that they are showing sa atin. They try to be there for us. They try to be the rock na kailangan natin sa mga hard times ng buhay natin. It's just that yung feeling of not being with anyone who can ever understand you, yun lang yung nagmamagnify sa utak natin na walang makakaintindi sa atin, na walang magtsatsaga sa atin. We are trying to convince ourselves that we are going through things alone. Pero if we try to open our eyes, take a deep breath, and just calm ourselves, dun lang natin marirealize na, hey, no, I was never alone. I just have to open my eyes and look at the right people. Look at the things and people around me. Maybe then I can realize na everyone was rooting for me to be okay. Everyone was trying to make me feel okay. I was just so overwhelmed and so convinced na I am alone na hindi ko sila nakita. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Maybe that four-legged friend of yours is a reminder na, my love, you just have to look at the right people in order to appreciate life as it is. In order to realize na sa mga pinagdadaanan natin, sa mga struggles ng buhay natin, sa mga challenges na ibinibigay sa atin, lagi tayong binibigyan ng buhay ng mga tao to be with as we go through it. We just have to appreciate them more. That's a constant reminder for you na even when you feel like everything is going the wrong way, there will still be a chance na everything will be okay. Hindi lang sa part na you believing in it, but you believing in the people around you that they will help you get through it. And believing as well sa sarili mo that you'll be strong enough to beat it. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? So sa mga kabisyo natin na may pinagdadaanan and you don't feel like talking to anyone kasi it's hard for you to explain your feelings. It's hard for you to explain the same old story to anyone. Parang napapagod ka na to explain yourself, kumbaga. Therapeutic po ito. Try nyo. Try talking to your four-legged friends. They will not say anything back. They won't be able to give you a sound advice. I doubt that. But they will give you something that you need. Someone who listens. And someone who doesn't judge. Just love. Claro? Claro.